Good morning, I'm meteorologist Shane Hinton with your October 11th morning tropical update. Now there's only two areas that we're talking about today, and they are further out in the Atlantic, out to the east. We have Tropical Storm Leslie still holding on right now. That's going to continue pushing out further into the Atlantic and then fizzling out. No concern for us here in the United States. As we keep our eyes on this area of low pressure just off the west coast of Africa, chances have now increased to a 50% chance over the next 48 hours and over the next 7 days for a tropical system to develop. Now, as we head over to the United States, well away from the coast, you can kind of see like the remnants of what was Hurricane Milton, no longer a hurricane, and it is no longer going to be causing any impacts to Texas. I do want to take a moment, though, to highlight something. I'm getting a lot of reports from people on social media saying they are seeing a hurricane developing in the Gulf of Mexico. I've even seen forecast cones. Those are old images that people are trying to do to kind of hype up a system that is not there. The National Hurricane Center has only indicated Leslie and that area off the west coast of Africa as of this update for any potential tropical development. Now, if that area off the west coast of Africa were to become the official named system, we move on to the N name this year, which is Nadine. We'll continue to track the tropics for you here in the KVUE Weather Center, and the KVUE Weather team will provide updates on air and online.